lot of people know me from Dance
I
India
know this.
Dance.
I know this. Dance,
Okay.
dance.
Yeah. There was a show called Dance Dance, which came in 2007. Remo, Geeta, and me, we also had
Friends.
tension. Let me tell you that
Oh
even in
yeah.
Dance India Dance, we were cutter enemies. You need to sit with the choreographer, not just to learn the dance steps, but how to emote on every word, every line. क्योंकि जहाँ पे अगर close up छपा, वहाँ पे तुम नकली लगोगे.
Correct. But I have a complaint now.
हाँ.
आप क्यों नहीं करते film choreography?
You give me one actor who can do what our dancers in television shows in one take to a full song. With full expression, full form, full correctness. Because our actors are used to cuts. And I started getting work as a judge and a choreographer in Dance India Dance. And it spoiled me.
Are you tired of this debate of reality shows being scripted?
So we shoot on Mondays.
Okay.
Sunday technical hota hai. Saturday for the choreographer and to check the spacing and all that.
Okay.
Thursday, Monday को हमने shoot किया है. So Tuesday break, Wednesday, Thursday 2 दिन में वो choreography set होनी चाहिए तगड़ा. ये demand है.
Radio Nasha.
Hi, this is Sheetal. You are watching Radio Nasha. Such an exciting day today क्योंकि मैं अपने idol के साथ बैठी हूँ. Right here in the studios, I have with me Terence Lewis. Hi.
Hi, Sheetal. Thank you so much for the love.
You know, I am so happy to do this. I've been like behind you on Instagram कि करो यार, please करो यार. But finally you made time for us, so thank you.
It's a pleasure.
How's it going?
Very good. And I must say, by the grace of God, the year has started well.
Yeah. I want to start off by asking you कि सबको आपके बारे में सब कुछ पता है, right?
हाँ, वो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया अभी.
Exposed हो गया आप.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
But Terence का childhood dream क्या था?
Honestly, जब मैं शुरुआत किया था, obviously it was more academically oriented. कि हाँ मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है like everybody else, either doctor or engineer. I wanted to be a doctor. I wanted to study medicine. और वो काफ़ी देर तक रहा बचपन में. I would say till at least till the 8th or 9th standard. But as I was doing in school and college, suddenly dramatics became a very important part. तो स्पोर्ट्स का कोटा मेरे भाई ने लिया था बिकॉज वी यूज्ड टू प्ले स्पोर्ट्स, बट वो कैप्टन था स्कूल का. तो देन इट वाज लाइक ओके ठीक है, उसने वो कोटा ले लिया. तो आई फेल्ट कि एक गैप है ड्रामेटिक्स में, जहाँ पे मेरे स्कूल में आई वाज इट वाज ऑल बॉयज स्कूल, सेंट ट्रीजेस हाई स्कूल बैंड्रा. तो मुझे बहुत सारा प्रोत्साहन मिला for acting, drama, speech. So I was like the blue-eyed Catholic boy, Catholic school, Catholic boy, and somebody who wants to prove himself because I come from the space where I wanted to shine and I was attention crazy and I loved the attention teachers gave me because घर पे तो हम लोग 8 भाई बहन थे. So it was like
And you were the youngest, na?
तो मतलब रामू काका of the house.
Oh God.
जाओ ये लेके आओ, वो लेके आओ.
पानी लेके आओ.
हाँ, हमने ये सब किया है बड़े भाई बहन के लिए. So it was fun to grow up. Of course, I had a lovely family and amazing parents. But yeah, the teachers really, lapped me up with a lot of praise. So I completely basked in it. They trained me for elocution, speech and drama, theater. So in many ways, I started getting interested in, to be an actor. But I didn't know how, and it was very scary because, there is no clear-cut path of how to get into acting. So I was like, ठीक है. And plus, my parents refused. Like, I remember as a child when I was, in the school, there were a lot of producers, kids also in the school, and their mummy used to come for tiffin to feed them. And of course, my parents used to stay very far, so I used to get tiffin from home. They used to look at me and says, they used to see me in the school plays and things like that. So they had suggested my name for films. And my mother point blank refused. She says, ये तो डेफिनेटली नहीं, हमें पता ही नहीं ये कहाँ इंडस्ट्री, क्या ऑडिशन. हमारे पास इतना टाइम है, यहाँ पे मैं घर का काम देखूं या तेको ऑडिशन के लेके जाऊं. So she flatly refused and चुप के मेरी बहन ना मेरी बहुत supporter थी, Joyce. Glenn who was RJ, his mom was my supporter. She was like my second mom. So she quietly in 8th standard printed my picture in the book, for acting. There was a book used to come out, with all the numbers, names and एक book होता था. सबके हाँ एक book होता था, इतनी जाड़ी book थी, like how Manorama that or that that it was a bible for getting all the numbers and addresses के साथ. So fans could mostly phone numbers is not be there, addresses used to be there.
ताकि letters भेज सके.
So fans could write letter. If you buy that book, it was available in any bookstore. तो वहाँ पर फोटो डाल दिया मेरा और फिर कॉल्स आने लगे घर पे And mom just blasted my sister. तुम समझती क्या हो? What is wrong with you?
And
इसका
how old were
दिमाग
you
बिगड़
that
गया.
time?
I was 13,
Oh,
12, 13.
okay.
इसका दिमाग बिगड़ जाएगा. पढ़ाई में उसको इतना होशियार है. तुम क्यों उसको वहाँ पे उस तरफ लेकर जा रही हो?
Typical
So
mom.
both my sister and me got japped. And dad was like, ये क्या है? ये सब नहीं. हाँ, इधर उधर खेलने के लिए, टाइम पास करने के लिए ठीक है.
हाँ.
और ये अमीर लोगों का शौक है.
Correct.
लेकिन study.
Hmm.
So then that's how it was. So the dream was left unfulfilled.
Yeah.
फिर जाने आगे आगे fortunately क्या हुआ कि मैं सिखा रहा था डांस बच्चों को घर जाते रहते because you know that was giving me pocket money.
Yeah.
So parents were okay ठीक है
Hmm.
अपना कॉलेज का फीस संभाल रहा है घर पे भी दे रहा है ठीक
अच्छी
है
बात है. Hmm.
लेकिन पढ़ाई भी कर रहा है और फर्स्ट आ रहा है तो ठीक है वो पढ़ाई में ही आगे जाएगा ये तो खाली इन बिटवीन फेस के लिए है डांस
Just a hobby.
लेकिन
Yeah.
फिर लत लग
उनको
गई
तो पता था.
and then I went into dance and a little bit of modeling, little bit of anything that came my way. जो भी you know the universe was giving me, I was like चलो सामने से invitation आ रहा है ले लो.
Wow.
But didn't know how far it would go, even the acting career. So quietly I started to kind of you know push myself only into dance because I thought कि a rolling stone gathers no moss.
Yeah.
So you'd kind of be a little bit more you know focused.
Niche, yeah.
And also I had never trained in dance.
Hmm.
तो मुझे पैसे कमाने के बाद लगा कि यार ये मैं कहाँ तक लेकर जाऊंगा आई ओनली नो इनसाइड नॉलेज है डांस ने
Correct.
मुझे कुछ सिखाया नहीं लेकिन इंट्यूटिवली पता है लेकिन आई एम श्योर जो लोगों ने सीखा है वो एक बहुत ही सिस्टमेटिक सिस्टम होगा सिलेबस होगा
yeah.
और मुझे वो कमी लगी बिकॉज आई वाज स्कोलास्टिकली इंक्लाइंड एकेडमिकली
Correct.
तो मुझे लगा कि डांस में मैं स्कोलास्टिकली इंक्लाइंड हुई नहीं
Hmm.
ये तो अंतर्ज्ञान है but that's not enough
Yeah.
you know so collected my money studied abroad came back and then you know started my company and it was a long journey,
Long journey.
but
And
it was
it's still
good.
on, it is still on,
So,
yeah.
it never stops and I'm happy and
Yeah.
you know dancing is of course reached for me a certain level
Yeah.
in my space in my country and I'm very happy to judge shows and I'll probably continue to judge shows because I love dance.
But you said that you had this inclination towards acting. तो आपने सपना मुखर्जी के साथ
Oh my God. I'm sure Glenn is giving you all this information. Such
little
an
bit yes,
idiot
but
he is.
मेरा दिल खोलने लगा.
Yeah, that was my first music video
Yeah.
for Ken Ghosh. So Ken Ghosh was making his last music video because he
Okay.
was getting into, you know,
Films,
directions and
yeah.
all that. And I had gone there with a friend of mine who was a model who realized it was उसको audition करना था. So
Okay.
he knew कि मैं dancer तो उसने देखा dance का audition है तू भी आना साथ में तो मुझे जो भी वो choreographer सिखा रहा है मुझे सिखा देना बाजू में. I said, okay, ठीक है. So we went to Mangla Hall. It's in Juhu.
Yeah.
Okay. So we went to Mangla Hall and, you know, I was standing at the window and watching because I didn't want them to know that I was there. And I was a patla dubla boy. And I was just watching and then I saw the choreography. It was very easy. It was Lonji,
Yeah.
the acclaimed Oscar-winning
Yeah.
Jai Ho wala choreographer. He was there that time. Okay. And I picked up the choreography and then my friend came out and I was just teaching him. And then he came behind and I don't know for what reason. He was stepped out for some reason and he saw me teaching him.
Okay.
He says, you, come here. And you know, have you met Lonji?
Yeah.
He's
No, but I've seen.
He's
Yeah.
an awesome human being.
Okay.
He's an awesome, crazy human being. And he has got theatrics.
Hmm.
When he talks, you know,
It's like drama
"Ah,
flow.
bacha,
Yeah.
beta," you know, it is something else. You know,
Yeah.
even if he insults you, अगर वो insult भी करेगा तुम्हें, you will laugh because there's a humor in it which
Yeah.
is so funny and it's clean-hearted.
Yeah,
Yeah, he's a clean-hearted human being. So he looked at this is buddy, come here. So I said, yes, sir. What are you doing? I said, sir, he's my friend. I'm just trying to help him. Okay. What do you do? I said, sir, I teach dance house to house. I said, okay. What's your name? So I said, Terence Lewis. Ah, okay. Come inside. I said, okay. Sir, where? He said, in the hall. I said, okay. Come on, buddy. Audition. Do the dance. And he called his team and says, watch. He abused in a nice way.
Got
Watch
it.
this dance. I auditioned and my friend is looking at me. So I asked my friend, I said, listen, I can tell him no also because he said, नहीं यार अगर मैं नहीं select हुआ तो at least तू तो
कोई
select
तो
हो जाए.
select होगा.
हाँ.
हाँ.
So I said, okay, fine. तो क्या? I got selected.
Wow.
And then he just didn't tell me selected. He just said, what are you doing tomorrow? I said, no, sir, college and little bit. Okay, you need to take 2 days off. We are going to Udaipur. I said, for what? To shoot. I said, okay. I said, how okay? As there were other dancers. I said, like with other like dancers, buddy, you're a star. You're the main lead. I was like, what?
What?
So, you know, these are these
Yeah.
certain circumstances
Like the
that keep
universe working
coming,
for you.
working for me,
Yeah.
and then,
Yeah.
of course, you know, but it's not easy to sustain. It's one video
Yeah.
doesn't, you have to keep doing work, and then the
Yeah.
music video phase went down.
Yeah,
You know,
that
when
whole
that
phase.
whole
Yeah,
phase
true.
of Sapna Mukherjee and Sunita Rao, and
Yes.
you know, Sonu Nigam
Sonu
releases
Nigam.
many
Yeah.
videos, Bijuria and all these
Yeah.
things, and then it went into only films,
Films.
and now
Yeah.
it's come back.
Back. I love
Yeah,
music videos, yeah. It is a different vibe
yeah,
altogether, right? You did another one with Shan as well.
yes.
You did
I
salsa in it.
ग्लेन मेरा भांजा जो इस इसी यूनिट में काम करता है इज सच अ so he knows my secrets because he saw
Yeah.
me growing up and you know, he was growing up too. We have a difference of 14 years between us. So yeah, that was another video that Shan Mana Janab ne
Ne
Pukar. It was a
pukara.
remix.
Yeah.
The remix था तब जमाना चल
Yeah.
रहा था. So that was again a crazy song. Shantanu Shure, one of the most amazing, you know, directors, and his wife Kimi Katkar, and he called me to the office and as a choreographer. So I went and I said, "Yes, sir." And he said, "Okay, show me the moves and what can you do?" So I said, "Okay, we can do this." So I went to the partner and I showed him the moves. He said, "Yeah, that's the vibe. That's the vibe." I said, "Great." And I said, "Okay." And then the casting agent came and said, "Have you found the models?" He says, "No." Then he saw me and said, "इसी को ले लेते हैं." So, so I became the choreographer and the model. So that's how it became. So it, you know, it was all by the
Yeah.
by. There was not like I never pursued it because I was scared कि you know क्या होगा
Correct.
कहाँ जाऊँ
Yeah.
कुछ पता भी नहीं कि किसको
Hmm.
मिलना है and no idea, no connection
Yeah.
with the film
Yeah.
industry. So
But after growing up, वो audition phase आपने देखा? Did you go give auditions because you had the inclination towards acting?
no, I didn't give any kind of auditions because I'll be because by then my classes had started. I'd finished my college and my college exams over there. So I finished college and then it was more like I started to. I couldn't go house to house. My mother said like, "What are you doing going house to house? You've done your graduation. You're a double graduate. You've topped your college, and now you're going house to house, continuing. ये future क्या है इसका?" Says, "No, mommy, I will open my own dance class." बड़े घमंड से बोला people
Academy
will come,
खोलूंगा.
मैं academy खोलूंगा. अरे कुछ कोई नहीं आया. ठप क्योंकि I was going house to house, so it was more convenient for them,
Correct.
right?
Yeah.
But them coming to me means send the driver, you know, लड़की है, बच्ची
बच्ची
है,
है,
can't send
हाँ.
with the driver,
Yeah.
maid को भेजना पड़ेगा. So that's too much of time management for
Correct.
them. वो सब सोचा ही नहीं मैंने. तो nobody came for 6 months to 8 months.
कहाँ पे खोला था?
Bandra YMCA and
अच्छा.
Andheri YMCA. उनके साथ मैंने it was a 60-40 split.
Okay.
60 comes to me from the students, 40 goes to them for giving me the space and whatever.
Yeah.
But कोई नहीं आया यार. It was very, very demotivating from earning a lot of money and traveling by rickshaw, which was comfort, and eating wherever I want to eat now because पैसे थे.
पैसे थे, हाँ.
Going back to eating vada pav and walking on the street and you know अच्छा यहाँ से यहाँ भी चल के जाना पड़ेगा. I was like ये थोड़ा ये struggle phase था.
Struggle था, हाँ.
बाकी का phase struggle नहीं था because I had come from the bottom.
Correct.
So it was like ठीक
You
है.
knew that was the life you
हाँ,
had,
you
yeah.
know, so it was okay. यही था. अभी इससे ऊपर ही जाना है.
Hmm.
But थोड़ा ऊपर होके फिर वो नीचे जाना ना, that hurt a little, but it was
Yeah.
good because then I kind of figured out another way and finally, you know, moved up. So it was like you just had to kind of stay in the game
Stay
for
in
a
the game
longer.
for a long time. Yeah.
And it was, yeah, there were challenges. There were times when you felt like, damn, यार, ये सपना जो मैं देख रहा हूँ, ये सपना ही रहेगा या सच भी होगा. So it was challenging, but
Yeah.
then you kind of moved sideways. I went into fitness and then from there I came back to
Yeah.
dance. So it
Yeah.
was like you have to keep doing different things, you know, you just can't let things pull you down.
Pull you down, yeah.
You
true.
just cannot. And that is something that has really taught me resilience. Even
Yeah.
today at this stage of my life, I'm like, not to give up, you know, and to keep trying and do your best and, you know, see. And sometimes when it's not working your way, then find other ways. You know, maybe there's another way. Maybe this is
Yeah,
not the
sure.
only way.
And growing up years, what are the kind of films? I mean, you told me that you've not watched many, but the kind of films that you watched while growing up.
My first film that I really, really shook me to the core and I became a big fan of that actor was Sadma. I cried and cried and cried at that last scene where he becomes the monkey.
Yeah.
He's telling her food. That scene where Sridevi is just looking at him outside the window and she's looking at as though this man who took care of you
Yes.
for
and you
1
don't.
year, but her memory doesn't
Yeah,
serve it. That
recognize.
and the other movie that touched me like a lot was Masoom.
Masoom.
Urmila Matondkar and was a kid that time. Shabana, Nasiruddin Shah, you know, these are all great actors, and just watching them act, I was like, wow, so real and so touching and so simple. So these were the two movies that really shaped me. And then in fourth standard, I saw Chota Chetan.
Chota Chetan.
I was just like, And that ice cream, I still remember that ice cream
Yeah.
coming to your face and my
3D.
tongue going. I'm thinking it is
Memories,
real.
yeah.
First time Amber Oscar in Andheri, we used to see,
Yeah.
saw that film. So it was one of my only films I saw in theatre.
Mm.
Otherwise, we were not
Mm.
allowed to see films till we became big.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
And I mean, I'm sure your favorite is Sridevi because it impacted you so much.
Sridevi was more, but Madhuri became more like, when I grew up, then I saw Madhuri as a dancer, and I was Madhuri and Govinda.
Yeah.
They were just like, what are they? How are they being able to kind of really, just make the song look so good? And sometimes the song is so ghatia, and the lyrics are
Like,
something
thoda on the,
else.
yeah, exactly.
But especially Madhuri, she's so graceful,
Yeah.
and she tones down, and she makes it so beautiful. And much years later, when I used to train her, I just asked her once.
You were a fitness trainer,
Yeah, I was a
right?
fitness
Yeah.
trainer. So once after the after the class got over in the morning, fitness class, she used to say chai peenar ka. I said ha. So sometimes I used to be in a hurry because I
Huh.
had my next
Session,
session
yeah.
with another star.
Mm.
So I said that day I was free. I said ha, I have like half an hour. To bas na. So she made me sit and she got chai. She said chai pee. So I was drinking chai. I said, Mother, can I ask you one question?
Mm.
And I didn't want to show that I'm a fan.
Fan, yeah.
Or
No
that. And
fanboy
like, yeah,
moment.
I was like very
Yeah.
strict. Okay, yes, ma'am, yeah. Yeah, I was trying to pretend. I don't,
Right.
like, kya ho tum?
Yeah.
I was trying very hard. I'm
It's
sure it
just
must have
Madhuri,
flopped. And
huh?
Madhuri didn't even care too
Care,
much. She was
yeah.
so natural and so normal. The house
Mm.
itself of Madhuri was so normal. It was lovely. So I just asked her, like, you know, there are some songs that you've done that are so raunchy. How have you managed to maintain
That
that
grace,
integrity and that,
yeah.
of the dance? And how come, like, the steps are also vulgar, but it's not looking vulgar on
Yeah,
you?
yeah.
How come, when, if there's a stark difference? So she said that, I always look at Madhubala. Her face was very innocent.
Mm.
And I think for me, it was that innocence. Even when you're making a very sensual thing, keep the
Right.
innocence, keep the softness, and don't try to be the woman in that zone.
Correct.
Because then it becomes very
Yeah.
overt. When you maintain that cuteness, so even if it's sensual, you're cute,
Mm.
that kind of tones down, and makes the edges a little bit smoother. I was like, wow, that's great. Because if you see, in the song, Aaye Meherba, she's a,
Yeah.
not cabaret, but she's a singer at the bar.
Correct.
And there's Ashok Kumar, I think, and she's singing it to him, or I don't know, Guru Dutt, I don't know who it is. I think it's Ashok Kumar.
Yeah.
And she's singing it to him, and or Devanand, I don't know which one, but I know it's Madhubala. And she's singing the song to him, and it is just incredible how she is just seducing with the eyes, and the eyes are still seducing with their softness.
Yeah.
It's not like raunchy and like,
Yeah.
like come, which
Correct,
is a little
correct,
bit too
yeah.
much. So I think that was great that she told me, like, try to be a little innocent,
Mm.
because that kind of helps me.
Yeah,
And
true.
so I think that was something that she shared with me, and
It
that stayed in
stayed,
my head. They say,
yeah.
whenever you're doing something, just tone it down a little.
Yeah.
Even when I was making songs to sensual, or choreographing it for my DID, I used to always tell my contestant, this is what Madhuri had said. So remember, it's on TV.
Yeah.
So I used to tell Shakti also, Shakti, the costumes are very sexy, but now you got to be careful कि वो अश्लील ना जाए.
Correct.
People should not
So
feel कि यार ये
important.
क्या
Yeah.
कर रही है. Expression ज़्यादा मत बनाना. Soft रख देना. So it kind of, the song is still sensual, or even if you're doing high rama or something like that. So
Yeah.
just be careful कि वो लोग जो घर पे बैठे हैं वो they should not feel awkward.
Uncomfortable,
They should
yeah.
still see it as an art form.
Correct.
So you have to be careful, and that you got to maintain. So I think some things you learn from great
Yeah,
artists, and
yeah.
Madhuri was definitely one.
I think the whole world knows your love for Madhuri.
Yeah, but I never told her then. Now she knows.
Now she knows. But talking about Govinda, which is his movie or dance that you absolutely love?
I watched Coolie Number One again with my father recently. I was sitting, he was watching, and he was, I said, let's watch with him. He was having a drink. I said, come on, bat mere saath. So we were watching Coolie Number One. I couldn't stop admiring
Yeah. He
how,
is.
like, we took it for granted.
Yeah.
Because, Govinda was Govinda.
Yeah.
And now when you watch him, it's like, what an actor. The delivery, the long lines, and how the command,
The comic timing.
the physicality, him and Kader Khan, Shakti Kapoor,
What combination?
that trio,
Oh my God.
man,
Yes.
crazy. So I just feel he was one of the mainstream actors who was so good, and he was the only actor who could do a serious role.
Yeah.
Right now, some certain artists which you see, they can only do one role.
Yeah.
If they have a serious face, they can do serious face.
या तो romance कर सकते हो या फिर
Romance or
serious.
romance.
हाँ.
But you can't get them beyond that spectrum. But
Yeah.
Govinda, you give him, Shoda or Shabnam, you give him Aag Hi Aag, you give him with any actor. Be it Amitabh Bachchan
I
also.
know.
Like, you know, he's just great.
Yeah.
He's just superb. He's
Yeah.
just insane. It's just, I know he's a legend.
He's a
In his
legend.
time, he was just peaking.
Peaking and how,
Peaking,
yeah.
yeah.
I think
And even in the like bad films, he was very good.
True.
That's a sign of a very good
Exactly.
actor. जब film बहुत बकवास हो,
But you'll watch it
but
only for
झेल
him.
लेते हो because he's such a
Good,
good
yeah.
actor.
True.
तो वो भी एक craft है ना
Correct,
अपने आप में
correct,
कि वो
yeah.
अपने दम पे चला रहा है.
And क्या खुल के नाचते थे. That's the thing I love about him.
I loved him in this first movie, you know, Love 86.
Love
he came
86,
with
हाँ.
Neelam. So Neelam was my
Neelam
first
is-
crush.
yeah, yeah.
I told her when
सबकी,
she
सबकी.
my first crush, you know, straight hair, little, you know,
Innocent
Angrezi accent,
face,
and
yeah.
थोड़ा Hong Kong से आई है, ballet करके आई है. So I was like, oh wow, this is so cool. Oh, this is ballet. When that's the first time I heard the word ballet. That she had
Ballet,
trained
yeah.
in ballet. I said, oh, वो क्या होता है? हम तो hip hop और Bollywood
हाँ.
करने वाले थे. So then it was good to see her, and you know, I was just amazed to see how graceful she was,
Yeah.
and as ekdam like that, you know, full on Bollywood star was Govinda. That's how graceful
Full,
was
हाँ.
Neelam. So it was so beautiful, and still she was not a kacha dancer.
Yeah.
She was just a little bit more sophisticated in the Bollywood.
In the Govinda तो yes.
I was like a very cute couple. I thought they were a great combination,
That's
you know,
true, yeah.
especially that song. "Main se
Say
si-"
me- Oh, I love it. It's too
So it
good.
was superb. So that time was amazing,
Yeah.
and yeah, so that combination was great.
Yeah, that time, and I think that era, the steps ho, the Gana ho,
Yeah.
yeah, movies bhi ho. I wish it could come back because that's what people miss nowadays,
I think
right?
you can re-release those films.
That's what is happening.
Yeah. Good fun to
Good fun,
re-release
yeah.
them film.
You know, talk to me about your first meeting with Saroj Khan because I also know that you admire her so much. Like, सबको पता है आपका प्यार for Saroj ji. But what was your first meeting with her like?
So, so Saroj Khan's stepson was in my school,
Okay.
St. Teresa School.
Okay.
Sajid. Not Sajid Khan, the director.
Yeah, yeah,
that's
I know
different.
the.
So Saroj ji had married my friend's father.
Okay.
Okay. And I knew that he was, you know, Sarojji's was a stepmom. So I said, can I have a look at her? So National College ke piche they used to stay that time.
Okay.
So he said, yeah. But I was so scared. He says, so scared of her. I was in school.
Correct.
I just watched her. She had just come out and she walked into her car and went away.
Mm.
That was the first time I met her. And then I kept seeing her work. And when she got for Tezab, and by then Tezab had released. I was
Yes.
in 1988 ke baad ye.
Mm.
Then the Beta came in 91, 92. So I decided becoming a fan in college of her. And then eventually, when I finished my Dance India dance and I got a show to, you know, oh, sorry, I have to cut back. So, a lot of people know me from Dance
I
India
know
dance.
this. I know this. Dance,
Okay.
dance.
Yeah. There was a show called Dance Dance, which came in 2007 by the Alva brothers. They were the
Okay.
producers, and it was shot. It was for Sony Television. It was an adaptation of an Australian format
Mm.
where the band will play the songs live,
Okay.
and all couples. It's a couple
couple
dancing
dance, okay.
contest. Have to dance together, and judges have to walk around and score them. So it's typically
It's
like
like
the,
ballroom dancing. Yeah.
so it's a ballroom dance format.
Mm.
Now they wanted to adapt that. It was one of the first times after Boogie Woogie there was no dance show.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, but there was a show called Dance
Dance
Dance. तो शायद सिर्फ हमारे परिवार लोगों ने देखा
Oh,
होगा.
this went on air also?
It was went on air.
Okay.
It was Saroj ji was the main judge, of
Okay.
course. There was no main judge that time. Saroj ji, Vaibhavi Merchant. Now these are both from Bollywood.
Yeah.
Technically, who would be there? So they had asked me to be a technical judge. So they needed somebody
Okay.
who would then add value because the Australian format demanded that one judge at least knows the format of
Format.
salsa,
Mm.
bachata, you know, and all the
Yeah.
Latin styles. Not that I'm a salsa expert, but I have dabbled
Fair
with it and I've
knowledge,
done
yeah.
shows and I've done my own workshops and
Yeah.
things like that, you know. So they thought it was the right fit.
Okay.
Okay. Now I have no experience. I have done like 3-4 फिल्म जो एक लगान उसमें मैं कुछ काम ही नहीं किया है.
कौन सा गाना किया
और
था
एक छोरे
लगान
में
में?
छोटा सा काम
अच्छा,
किया है एंड द
okay.
वॉल्स आई हैव डन. सो उसको गिनो ही मत. उसके बाद नाच वुड हैव बीन द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट फिल्म इन 2003-4 विद अंतरा माली एंड रामगोपाल वर्मा एंड अभिषेक बच्चन, पर वो चली नहीं. सो लिटरली आई डोंट हैव एनी बॉडी ऑफ वर्क.
Correct.
But a lot of people from the industry knew me because I was like having a monopoly in corporate shows. Because corporate shows में
Lot of
मैं
stage
बहुत
shows,
सारे
yeah.
styles करता था. So they didn't want Bollywood in corporate shows. तो non Bollywood जो भी shows थे वो मुझ में आते थे.
Nice.
And I was the king there. Like
Yeah.
even though I had just started, बहुत सारे shows started coming to me.
Awesome.
So people knew me, Kari, this is the only guy to go to
Yeah.
in terms of high quality dancing,
Mm.
dancers of a decent type, they're fit, they're not, overweight, and they are a certain, caliber. They are well trained, well mannered. So उसमें था. So but they wanted me to kind of give the expert. So मैं first time met Sarojji, and Sarojji she was just like, ये क्यों है यहाँ पे? Which is correct.
Did she ask you?
इन मेरे भी दिमाग में कि यार ये दोनों इतनी महान हस्तियां हैं.
हाँ.
Vaibhavi also comes from a
Yeah.
lineage, of
Yeah.
Gharana.
Hmm.
Sarojji, of course, is a body of work,
Yeah.
And there was also a little tension between the two ladies as
Oh,
usual because
okay.
competing choreographers
yeah.
and both very good, both classically based. One very famous and got several awards.
Yeah.
One on her
On
way
that journey,
on
yeah.
that journey up. So there was this tension. So see the joke. I should be the least in the category, right? In terms of value.
Yeah.
लेकिन मुझे कहाँ बिठाया जाता है? बीच में.
Oh my God.
So that
Sarojji went.
थोड़ा distance रहे.
No cat fights.
Yeah. Not that they fought, but there
Yeah.
was this
I know,
unspoken,
unspoken, yeah. It's
वो
like a Cold
tension
War
था,
kind of a thing.
unspoken
Yeah.
tension था वो. And it happens sometimes, unlike Remo, Geeta and me, we have, we also had
Friends.
tension.
Hmm.
Let me tell you that. Even
Oh,
in
yeah?
Dance India Dance, we were cutter enemies. Cutter. We were like that. कि मेरी team.
हाँ.
Remo के रंगीले, Geeta की gang, Terence की टोली, we were like at war.
Yeah.
We would fight for songs, costumes, सब कुछ. It was दिखाते नहीं थे. थोड़े झगड़े भी होते थे ऑन स्क्रीन, बट वो दिखाते नहीं थे बिकॉज सर ये फैमिली शो है, हमें झगड़े नहीं दिखाने हैं दूसरे शो की तरह. दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव शो. सो थोड़ा बहुत रखते थे, बाकी सब निकाला जाता था.
My God.
Yeah. But there was a clause that we three had signed because we were all struggling at the same time, right? सर शो खत्म होगा ना तो बैठ के नींबू पानी पियेंगे और सब गिले शिकवे जो गाली गलौज देना है दे दो, खत्म. And that was a great pact.
Yeah,
and even after the shows got over, we continued our friendship. And in fact, वो जो friendships में दरार होते हैं झगड़ने के बाद, तो ये fake नहीं है. तुम जानते कि हर एक की असलियत क्या है. And you still are together, no? That's a better friendship. Then अच्छा सब
आगे से अच्छा है but पीछे से कुछ नहीं है.
So वो it was much of so that's why I feel. So I think every person in the industry, when they're in the same space, there is bound to be there is certain sense of insecurities. Anyways, coming to our story, I was right in the center, and I got schooled like crazy. Then that show got over, and then I got another show 3 years after Dance India Dance. By then, Dance India Dance had become famous. So from giving me that look, Sarojji ki, who is this boy? ये क्यों है बीच में? Then they explained को ये technical है, इनको ये dance पता है. So then she took my class. क्या पता है आपको? Ta. अच्छा, मुझे भी बताना. So she was ready to learn.
Oh, that is so nice.
She was ready to learn. अच्छा ये technique है. अच्छा ये ऐसा करना है. ऐसा हाँ मैम ये ऐसा करना है. So it was so nice that she was strict. She wanted to show her power, but she was also like अच्छा तुम्हें ये आता है तो मुझे बताओ कैसे करते हैं. So then she was very nice and she said ठीक है.
But such a nice format. Show क्यों नहीं चली?
नहीं चली because it was a wrong format. It was okay for a Western concept. With Indian dancing, with Indian ballroom styles and all things, it doesn't work. And plus, people are used to songs which are original. तो original का अगर singer गा रहा है live, तो वो तो live हो रहा है, वो recorded नहीं है. तो वो भी दिक्कत थी कि अगर सुर इधर उधर हिले, तो फिर वो वही का वही छप रहा है.
way ahead of its time also ना, उस time पे
हाँ, वो थोड़ा जमा नहीं, format नहीं था सही था. The format was not right for India. It is great for a Western format. Anyway, cut to 2012, where Dance India Dance has gone crazy. That was 2007. Cut to 5 years later. I'm in 2012. I'm doing my tour in America. I get a call. Oh, we have signed you for a new show.
Wow.
I said, okay, great. You have to teach dance. I said, oh, even better. So I have to teach dance to people at homes because I'm already a teacher. These are the 10 songs you have to. Nobody tells me that this show is actually what Saroj Khan is already doing. So I land up. It says Nach Leve with Sarojji and Terence. I said, why didn't you tell me that this is the show? और मैं अपनी धुमकी में I didn't even bother to ask कि नाम क्या है show का. I said, बाप रे. Now what will happen, Went inside, ma'am was there. I, greeted her. She was like, अच्छा, आप मेरा शो के साथ करोगे? I said yes. And then she told me so much about her life.
Hmm.
You know, oh my God. The woman has gone through so much hardships, and she told me things how life was for her, and literally sometimes I saw tears in my eyes because what she has gone through, there should be a film made on her,
Hmm.
and the way she struggled to support her family until the end. She worked so
So
hard.
hard. Yeah.
It was, and such a talented woman.
Yeah.
And many times वो मुझे डांटती भी थी,
Hmm.
ये ठीक नहीं है, ये नहीं है, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? But she's always saying, तुम हंसते क्यों हो? And you know what? Like technically you should get scared.
Yeah, your reflex was
But
different.
मेरा reflex है ना, at least she's giving me attention.
Ah, nice.
I was such a big fan of
Yeah.
Saroji that वो डांट भी ना, I should be like, yes ma'am. हंस क्यों रहे हो तुम? ऐसे मैम मैं हंस नहीं रहा हूँ, मेरे पास ऐसे नहीं मैम, बस मुझे आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। तुम इतना खुश क्यों हो? I said नहीं मैम, just you know. So I said, you don't know, I'm a huge fan of yours. आपका काम मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. Then she realized I was very genuine.
Yeah.
Then I gave her details कि ये गाने में तुमने ये वाला स्टेप किया था ना, उतना अच्छा था. She says, तुमने ये नोटिस किया? She says, हाँ. Then she realized I was not just ऊपर से.
Yeah.
Like I had gone fully into
Decoded it.
every
Yeah,
song का
true.
decode किया था कि
Yeah.
ये shot मैम कैसे लिया, ये कैसे लिया.
Hmm.
And she was very happy to educate me and
Yeah.
show me अच्छा ऐसा. Then she told me industry में ऐसा ऐसा होता है, तुम बच के रहना. She educated me and she
Correct.
kind of like took me under her wing. Once that bond was
Yeah.
formed,
So sweet.
and once she realized that I'm not here to compete और मेरी कोई
Yeah.
औकात ही नहीं है, and I will कितने भी industries में ये मैं years कर लूँ and do more films or whatever, I will never be able to match the woman what she has given to cinema. So at those hard times. So then she realized, and then she really kind of told me all about herself, and it was so amazing to, and then we started judging shows
Yeah.
independently also. Some shows happen, events.
Events and all
So
of
we used to
that.
come
Yeah.
meet and we used to talk, and she was very happy to kind of be with each
How
other. So yeah, it
sweet,
was
yeah.
it was
How
great about Saroji is just a legend, and
Yeah.
कुछ भी
Nobody
कहूँ कम
like
है,
her.
कम
Yeah.
है उनके
कम
बारे
है.
में. हाँ.
उनकी कोरियोग्राफीज में आपका फेवरेट कौन सा है? Difficult question, but
धक धक. I'll tell you why. उस गाने में सिर्फ माधुरी है, नो बैकग्राउंड डांसर. अनिल
Yeah.
कपूर भी नाच नहीं सकता बिकॉज अ कैरेक्टर ही इज अ मैन चाइल्ड. उस लड़की ने, माधुरी ने और सरोजी ने जो गाना बिठाया है और जो करा है, एक्सप्रेशन, एनर्जी, वो बिठाना, रखना, वो मूड रखना, एंड टू फील दैट सॉन्ग, टू अंडरस्टैंड द एसेंस
Right.
ऑफ व्हाट दैट सेंचुअलिटी ऑफ दैट सॉन्ग इज. बिकॉज उस गाने में माधुरी नोज कि अभी उसको सेड्यूस करना है.
Correct.
और वो उसके पास बच्चे का दिमाग है. ही इज नॉट इवन इनटू काम वासना.
Yeah.
तो उसको काम वासना में लेके आना है. So that song is all about making your husband realize
Right.
that he has to be the man now, and she needs a child from him. So it's so beautifully done, the sensuality, without it getting vulgar, cheap, and maintaining the sanctity
Yeah.
of their marriage or
Yeah.
whatever it is between a couple. And it's just, and yet as an outsider you are getting into a personal space of a couple and still watching it so beautifully
Yeah.
done.
And कभी दिमाग में नहीं
Yeah.
आता है कि it's a dirty या
Yeah.
vulgar song
And also
था.
she's also seducing, also she's pleading. There's a pleading also, like come
Yeah.
to me because I know I need you right now. You're my husband in that sense. And Anil Kapoor, of course, is a great actor, of
Yeah.
course. Just did such a great job of that song. So for me, that song, see, Choli Ke Piche and all those songs, or Anjam, 18 Baras Ke.
Yeah.
Again, beautifully choreographed. That one shot where the girls disappear and she's just
Yeah.
doing only
That
expression.
expressions,
It's
oh
like,
my god.
ha, wait, ek expression. There's so many expressions here. Crazy, and all of them are
Yeah.
real,
Yeah.
genuine,
And on that
felt.
beat.
On
And
that
on that
beat.
word.
Crazy.
Yeah.
So that's great, but then it still has dancers. वो धक धक में सिर्फ अकेला किया उसने.
Yeah.
So it was very good. So I think those are the two, one of the, of course, with Sri Devi, of course, even again, Kaat. She had already done
Yeah,
something like this,
yeah.
Kaate Nahi Kat,
Kat.
in 1984. So it was already there. So it's great that she has
Yeah.
done such kind of work.
I think Sarojji brings out the best from people.
And she understands the feminine,
Yeah.
body language. She doesn't keep cutting. लंबा लंबा रखते हैं वो,
Hmm.
ताकि वो एक्टर को होल्ड करना पड़ता है.
Yeah.
और वो 3 4 5 दिन रिहर्स करके वो आते हैं.
Correct.
Even though it's a simple thing, वो एक्सप्रेशन, it's not the movement. वो एक्सप्रेशन भी ठीक करती थी कि ये नहीं ये कर, ये नहीं ये कर.
Yeah.
That's the job of the choreographer कि सिर्फ डांस नहीं, वो डांस के थ्रू एक्सप्रेशन, वो आंखों में किस तरीके से आ रहा है.
Yeah. It's like a story.
स्टोरी
that you need to
कैसे
tell.
करना है ताकि आपका बॉडी लैंग्वेज करेक्ट लगे. Of course, she's Madhuri, so she gets it like this. But still, sometimes you can go little extra, little
Extra,
less. So
true.
you need to sit with the choreographer, not just to learn the dance steps, बट हाउ टू इमोट
Emote.
ऑन एवरी वर्ड एवरी लाइन, क्योंकि जहाँ पे अगर क्लोजअप छपा
Hmm.
वहां पे तुम नकली लगोगे।
Correct.
अगर वो सिर्फ
Authentic.
डांस कर रहे हो
हाँ.
आप और सिर्फ मुंह बना रहे हो,
हाँ.
वो मुंह बनाना बहुत इजी है, आंखें बनाना बहुत इजी है, लेकिन वो आंखों में वो रस लेके आना,
Hmm.
वो इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो एक्टिंग है।
Yeah.
So without moving your face also, if you can just bring it in the eyes,
Hmm.
you know, just the subtlety of it. So that all needs to be worked on, especially when the camera is this close.
Yeah.
You can't do extra, you can't do
You can't
zillion
fake it at all.
expressions, you know, and
Yeah.
many actresses have done that and they look
Yeah.
really
Funny.
funny.
But I have a complaint now.
हाँ,
आप क्यों नहीं करते फिल्म कोरियोग्राफी?
मैंने छोड़ दिया।
क्यों?
2014 में जैसे टेलीविजन लग गया ना, उसकी लत लग गया ना, enjoyed choreographing for dancers,
Hmm.
प्रोफेशनल डांसर्स जो मिल गया ना मुझे टीवी
हाँ.
पे, वो खून चढ़ गया।
Okay.
बिकॉज उसके बाद वो जो लेवल मैंने अपने आप में देखा कि एज अ कोरियोग्राफर आई ऑल्सो ब्रोक माई ओन बैरियर्स,
Okay.
क्योंकि जैसे जैसे डांस सीजन बढ़ते गए,
Hmm.
सीजन 1 से सीजन 2, एज कोरियोग्राफर्स आई ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव्ड,
Yeah.
क्योंकि डांसर्स ही इतने अच्छे मिल रहे थे, तो
Hmm.
अपना गेम भी ऊपर लेके जाना था। देन यू कांट गो बैक टू टीचिंग हुक स्टेप्स, you know, then it's all a game of shosha.
Yeah.
For Bollywood it's all about shosha, ease, and you know, the
Hmm.
simplicity tried to bore me.
Hmm.
The complexity of the dancer
Hmm.
and the skill level that we had reached in teaching dancers could not be touched. Until date, it cannot be touched by any actor.
Hmm.
You give me one actor who can do what our dancers in television shows in one take to a full song, with full expression, full form, full correctness. Because our actors are used to cuts.
Cuts. Yeah.
Imagine doing a proper full dance with that technique, with that solidness, with that clarity of emotion also.
Hmm.
So these dancers are not just
Correct.
physically trained, but emotionally also know how to
Emotions.
convey.
Yeah.
So then you feel ki yaar, and also temperamentally films require a lot of patience.
Hmm.
You have to do a shot, then wait, do a shot, then wait. And I am used to, you know, a certain amount of spectrum on the ADHD wanting to kind of do too many
Yeah,
things.
got it.
So I'm impatient.
Hmm.
So I like और करना है, और काम करना है, और काम करना है. But you have to know, काम किया, अभी रुको, अभी लाइटिंग चलेगी,
Hmm.
अभी मेकअप होगा,
So much
अभी
goes
ये होगा,
behind. हाँ.
अभी वो होगा. See, कट के गाना एक दिखता है,
Hmm.
लेकिन वो 5 दिन चलता है.
Correct.
Okay, minimum, you know, 5
Hmm.
days in a good production house. तो तब तक वो 5 दिन का वो एक एक शॉट और वो टाइम जो गैप है, उसमें मैं नहीं आके ऐसा बैठ सकता और गप्पे मार सकता हूँ.
Correct.
मुझे काम करना है. So then I feel very restless.
Hmm.
So I feel I'm also they're both combination
Both,
of my
yeah.
personality
Hmm.
and also the combination of the fact that I started getting work in as a judge and a
Yeah.
choreographer in
Hmm.
dance India
Hmm.
dance, and it spoilt me.
Hmm.
And then it was a good income as a judge.
Yeah.
So then I didn't have to kind of chase work.
Hmm.
So I was happy,
Happy.
content.
But Ramlila, was that the last? You did Ramlila,
Last,
right?
that was
Hmm.
last.
Hmm.
That was the
All
only
songs
film.
in Ramlila?
No, 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 only Ang Laga De.
Only Ang Laga
Only
De.
Ang Laga De.
Hmm.
Sanjay sir was like very keen on me doing that song,
Yeah.
so that was my last.
Are you tired of this debate of reality shows being scripted?
No, not at all. I mean, it's a very everybody knows how much of it is scripted, how much is not.
Yeah.
So the winners are not scripted, at least in my shows.
Hmm.
They're genuine people, okay?
Right.
The comments are not scripted for
Hmm.
sure.
Hmm.
कोई मेरे कान में कर बोलता है कि इसको फेवर करो. I will be like, I'll walk out of that place.
Yeah.
ये ईमानदारी से करना है.
Ethical तो होना
Ethical,
है. हाँ.
ethical. क्योंकि ऊपर जवाब देना पड़ेगा.
Correct.
अगर मैंने किसी भी
True,
रीजन में
so
बायस
true.
किया, even if I like somebody, like personally I like the person, इसका नेचर अच्छा है, but I keep tell myself, उसको हटा के डांस कैसा था?
Yeah.
Impartial. As a judge, you got to be impartial.
Yeah.
No matter how much you like the person as a human being,
Hmm.
no. And even if somebody you might not like their, you know, sometimes ये थोड़ा
Nature,
nature
yeah,
wise,
personality.
but you have to keep it as a गाना, उसने डांस अच्छा किया ना.
हाँ.
We're not here to judge his personality.
Yeah. Talent.
We are to judge his talent.
Yeah.
So that clarity is very clear.
Hmm.
No biasness for sure. And we have to instantly on the spot talk to
Yeah.
give our comment. So there's
Yeah.
no way. Even the dance is not scripted in the sense कि we don't reshoot anything.
अच्छा.
Now is अगर mistake हुआ
Hmm.
तो गलती वापस से आपको नहीं कर सकते.
Oh, तो
Unless गाना कुछ और बजा.
हाँ, मतलब
फिर
unless
वो
a
तो
technical
हाँ,
mistake.
तो वो
yeah.
तो उसकी गलती नहीं है.
Correct.
लाइट ही चली गई
हाँ.
एक एक्ट में. तो लाइटिंग ही गलत है, देन दैट इज नॉट द
Yeah.
कंटेस्टेंट्स फॉल्ट,
Right.
देन वी गिव हिम दैट चांस. बट अगर तुमने डांस भूल गया,
हाँ.
लाइक इन सीजन 2 दैट बॉय मेड अ मिस्टेक ट्वाइस एंड वी केप्ट इट एज इट इज.
Yeah.
कमेंट्स भी उसको वैसे ही मिले.
Hmm.
Norbu, I think Norbu was the one.
Norbu, yeah.
He forgot with Tushar Shetty. He
Hmm.
forgot, and we are telling him continue. Forgot. He
Yeah.
blanked out.
Yeah.
नहीं कर सकता. And he was one of the top. He was supposed to be the winner.
Oh
हार
yeah.
गया.
Yeah, he was so good.
Out. He was out of the
Yeah.
show. तो अगर ऐसा, and he had a fan following.
Yeah.
Fan following थी. He went out. Wild card में वापस आया. वापस भूल गया. He was a young kid. Yeah.
Yeah.
He was nervous. And Tushar
होता है, I'm
Shetty
sure.
is Tushar
Yeah.
Shetty. So
Yeah.
there's this nervous energy. But he's doing so well now. You know,
Yeah.
everybody is not ready for it. And he is a young, beautiful kid.
Yeah.
So when he came for the show, it was like, hey, overwhelming हो जाता है. So, but game is game. कितनी भी
Be
तुम्हारी
fair.
fan following हो,
Yeah.
sorry, तुमने गलती की है. Now audience is watching.
You can't. Yeah.
So even though sometimes you may be crowd favorite, you're out of the show.
Yeah.
तो
And
वहां
that's-
तक रहता है. बट उनके जो स्टोरीज होते हैं,
Hmm.
अब हम उतना लंबा खींच नहीं सकते हैं.
Correct.
तब तक कि आप समझाओ. सो वी ऑलरेडी टोल्ड कि ये होने वाला है. ब्रीफली, कभी कभी
Okay.
बताते भी नहीं है
Okay.
कि ये होने वाला है, आपको लीड करना है ताकि उसकी स्टोरी आगे आ जाए.
Hmm.
तो उसको
अच्छा,
गाइड
like a
करो,
push, yeah.
like a push करो
Yeah.
ताकि वो
Hmm.
सही बोले.
Hmm.
लेकिन क्या बोलना है
नहीं
इतना
होता है।
थोड़ा हमें भी आता है यार, टीवी बनाना.
Obviously.
हमें भी आता है कि कैसे बनाना है, कैसे कहानी बाहर निकालनी है.
हाँ.
कभी कभी वो बोल भी नहीं रहे हैं, बिकॉज यू नो दीज किड्स दे आर नॉट एक्टर्स.
Yeah.
हमारे जो कितना स्क्रिप्ट करोगे आप, फॉर स्क्रिप्टिंग यू नीड एक्टर्स.
Actors, yeah. Because
वो
वो fake
झूठ
करेंगे
दिख-
तो दिख
वो
जाएगा.
झूठ दिखता है. सो इफ इट इज नॉट करेक्ट, अगर वो गरीब नहीं है या
If they don't have a sob story.
या इवन इफ दे आर नॉट दैट पर्सनालिटी और उसको
Yeah.
तुम बनाओगे, वो तो एक्टर नहीं है,
Correct.
वो फेक नहीं, वो जो है उतना ही तक उसका जो आप खींच सकते हो.
Yeah.
सो इन दैट सेंस those all not the story is also real,
Hmm.
but उसको सजा के दिखाना.
हाँ.
और टाइम की पाबंदी है. ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग रुके हैं तेरी स्टोरी को 2 घंटा नहीं दे सकते,
हाँ,
तुम्हारी
वो
स्टोरी को बाहर
feature
निकालने.
नहीं है.
हाँ, फटाफट बोलो और नेक्स्ट कंटेस्टेंट भी है. सो देन इट इज ऑल, वी हैव टू प्रॉम्प्ट देम टू
Yeah.
मेक श्योर कि जल्दी बता,
Yeah.
क्योंकि टाइम नहीं है. और ये बच्चे हैं, उनको नहीं पता क्या बोलना है क्या नहीं.
Hmm.
तो अनलेस यू प्रॉम्प्ट एंड पोक,
Coke. It's
they
not
will
gonna come
not
out.
tell
Yeah.
them.
Yeah.
उनको भी नहीं पता. So that all little bit is done
Yeah.
and it is okay. अदरवाइज क्या हम क्या हुआ 2 दिन बैठेंगे,
हाँ.
वो कहानी निकलते निकलते क्या होगा.
ये जो लोग डिबेट करते हैं ना, उनको ये सब पसंद है, फिर भी बोलते हैं कि यार, क्योंकि फ्लैट तो नहीं हो सकता ना शो.
Also see, there are 12 contestants. कितना डांस दोगे आप? डांस सब अच्छा है.
Correct.
तो बीच में कुछ
Story तो होनी
और
चाहिए.
हर people से अरे रोना धोना. Always, I'll tell you what my producer said very famously. There was a time when there were 2 contestants who were genuinely
Okay.
गरीब, very मेहनती and really raw talent, finish भी नहीं थे. और मैं बोला कि मुझे दोनों चाहिए. Not because they were genuinely good.
Talented.
और लगा कि यार, because ऐसे 10 तो है ना हमारे पास एकदम पक्के.
Yeah.
Start to finish कुछ चेंज नहीं होगा. They are number 1 already.
Hmm.
लेकिन ये इनकी जर्नी अच्छी लगेगी, कैसे वो उतार चढ़ाव चल रहा है. So the producer came to me and said, Terence, and he told 2 of us also, Geeta was there and Malaika was there. Listen, we can take only one story. हर हफ्ते I can't make one गरीब story fight against another गरीब story. और हमारा शो हैप्पी शो है.
हाँ, पॉजिटिव शो
हाँ,
है.
एक
हाँ.
बार थोड़ा आंसू गिर गया बस, उसके बाद हंस के लोग हंसना चाहिए.
हाँ.
That's why the anchor is comedy.
Yeah.
All the jokes are on me
Yeah.
and it's comedy.
And I love it that you take it so well.
Yeah. So people don't want to see रोना धोना,
Yeah.
क्योंकि रोना धोना किधर आ रहा है? हमारे सोप ओपेरास में है. सास बहू
है,
वो
भर
5
में
days
है.
वो रो रहे हैं ना.
हाँ.
इसका ये हुआ, उसका वो हुआ, उसका. तो on a weekend show, this is, you have to understand the format of the producers.
Yeah.
Weekdays पे तुम रुला ही रहे हो, तुम झगड़ा करवा रहे हो,
हाँ.
कलेश
कलेश,
करा रहे हो
हाँ.
घर में. ओके, डिश. सैटरडे संडे रिलीफ,
हाँ.
हैप्पी,
माइंड को
शांति, जाओ आओ, प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. सो इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट माइंडसेट.
Yeah.
जितना हंसी मजाक, जितना खिल्ली, why is Bharti, Harsh, Manish Paul
Hosting
so
all this?
important in the
Yeah.
show? Because they
Bring
make the
that
show
thing.
happen.
Yeah.
वो हंसी मजाक करके वो शो लाइट होता है.
True.
टेंशन वाला शो नहीं चाहिए. टेंशन ऑलरेडी होता है जब हम जजमेंट दे रहे हैं.
Hmm.
You know, so फिर वो इमोशन तो हो ही जाता है because they are
Correct.
away from their parents and all of that. And
Yeah.
listen यार, they are seriously, वो रोना भी genuine है.
Hmm.
You imagine अगर 6 महीने आप गए नहीं हो घर या 8 महीने और आप बॉम्बे में स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो, you're just 17. You're 17
So naive.
and you don't know and it's overwhelming. ये
Yeah.
TV क्या है क्या नहीं है, many of them have not done TV.
True. And so many people on the sets and
And
everything is so
pressure,
big.
you know how much
Yeah.
pressure these kids have? So we shoot on Mondays.
Okay.
Sunday technical होता है.
Hmm.
Saturday for the choreographer and the, to check the spacing and all that.
Okay.
Thursday, Monday को हमने शूट किया है.
हाँ.
So Tuesday break, Wednesday, Thursday 2 दिन में वो choreography set होनी चाहिए तगड़ा. ये डिमांड है. ओके? चैनल वाले आएंगे थर्सडे रात को चेक करने के लिए कि कोरियोग्राफी ठीक है कि नहीं.
Okay.
प्रोडक्शन कंपनी विल कम. फ्राइडे को चैनल वाले आएंगे. वो बोलेंगे ये पसंद नहीं, ये पसंद नहीं.
Changes भी देंगे.
हाँ. Can you imagine the pressure
Yeah.
that they're going to? And they're not trying to, the channel and the production company is not trying to make their life difficult. They are just
Yeah.
saying कि game बहुत high है.
Hmm.
Stakes are too
Benchmark.
high.
Yeah.
तो ये हमने देख लिया और करो और करो. तो
Hmm.
imagine the pressure that kid is on.
True.
Okay, the choreographer is on. Saturday वो आते हैं फिर फाइनल देखते हैं सब.
Hmm.
बोले ये जम नहीं रहा है. All the night change होगा. रात भर फिर वापस
My
रिहर्स करो.
God.
Sunday is a technical.
Yeah.
Costumes के साथ. With all the 16 cameras. Monday is the show with in front of us. Can you imagine the kind of pressure? And it's not 1 week.
Yeah. It's
And most of my
yeah.
shows have gone for more than 3 months. तो उनकी वाट लग गई.
Ah,
And you know, singing आप 6 महीने निकाल सकते हो यार. बैठ के गाना ही है ना.
yeah.
Dancing is physical. It's emotional. It's tiring.
Yeah.
तो उनकी बैंड बज जाती
कितनी
है.
strength चाहिए
So when they
होगी.
see their mothers and their fathers, they break down.
Of course.
They break down. क्योंकि कोई पूछने वाला नहीं है कि तुम ठीक हो.
Yeah. How are you? Just that simple question.
Yeah. कोई करीब हो तो, and even if they are from Bombay, they never get to go home.
Yeah.
So and they're 17. What do you expect them to be strong?
Hmm.
Crazy है क्या?
Just
The
seen
pressure
life
is
now.
too much.
Yeah,
Yeah. The
I
pressure
know.
is too much on these kids. You know, हम आते हैं, हम गरम करते हैं अपनी कुर्सी और भाषण दे जाते हैं as a judge.
Yeah.
And I always tell them, I always say, listen, kids, take care of yourself.
Yeah.
We Geeta and me always are like just telling, we love you, we love you. Remember, हम लोग बोलेंगे, वो बोलना पड़ता है क्योंकि as judges we have to correct you.
Correct.
It's a show, but don't forget, we love you and we know you're working hard.
Hmm.
So just make yourself a little better.
Yeah.
That little bit we always, guys, we are the mummy
It's
papas of
important,
the
yeah.
show.
So cute.
So every time we say, चलो vanity fair में आओ, थोड़ा बैठा हमारे साथ after the show. Said,
Yeah. I'm sure they also
Yeah.
feel so much better
yeah,
when you're
they are
just friendly with them. Yeah.
Yeah. So we
Yeah.
have that connect. So
Yeah.
that is why, you know, the show works in many
Yeah.
ways. So that's what it is.
People
So it
love
is
it.
good.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Yeah.
much. I've had a great time talking to you,
Anytime,
and you're
Sheeta.
so inspiring. I love it.
God bless you.
Radio Nasha.